When powered on, a flashing power button means standby mode. Press the on/off button to turn on the machine. The indicator means there is insufficient water. Please check the water source. If the E1/E2 error code appears, please contact the customer service team directly. The indicator means the ice maker is filling with water. In standby mode, press the timer button to make the display H flash. Use the plus or buttons to set the power on time. 1-24 hours. After selection, it will flash 5 times. Save the setting and return to the main interface, where the lower left corner will flash alternately. Once the timer expires, the machine will automatically turn on and test the time control. When making ice, press the timer button to flash H. Use plus or to set the shutdown time. 1-24 hours. After selection, it will flash 5 times. Save the setting and return to the main interface with the lower left corner flashing. Once the timer expires, the machine will automatically shut down for precise timing. Pressing the timer button twice will disable the timer function. Adjust means the hours for the timer and means the time for each ice making cycle to adjust the thickness. IM means the countdown in minutes until the ice making process ends, and F means the ambient temperature in Fahrenheit. You can switch to Celsius by pressing and holding the pluses or button for 5 seconds. A rotating symbol means ice is being made, while a flashing symbol means defrosting is in progress. Pressing and holding the on/off button for 5 seconds will force defrost. When the indicator lights up, it means the ice bucket is full and needs to be emptied promptly. It is recommended to activate the self-cleaning function. Press and hold the timer button for 5 seconds to start the self-cleaning process. The self-cleaning symbol will light up. After that, the machine will return to standby mode. You can turn it off by pressing the on/off button.